Hello, and welcome back to my podcast, The Sounds of Nightmares. And you'll be reading Chapter 1, Part 5, The Workers and the Walls. And if you're wondering, we are getting closer to the end of this chapter, trust me, in case you're wondering. But yeah, so just lie down, relax, and immerse yourself in my story. A tall woman bent over a new project, wearing a familiar dress, long heavy chains coming out under its tail. She moaned, enjoying herself. I could feel she'd been at it for hours. Her presence alone told that she was the keeper of this stone giant, of the world beyond the walls. Turning to a pile of scraps, I saw her face, equally old and young, and her skin stretched back so tight that only her eyes seemed human. I wanted so badly to know what she was building and to scream all the same, but before I could do either, my new friend pulled me away. They pointed up. From between the planks, a shadow studied us. The child pulled my arm, but it was already too late. The worker leapt down beside me, inspecting my body like a tool, reaching out with its wrench. But the child pushed me away, letting a sliver of light shine out from the workshop to hit the shadow. Faster than fast, tucked back into darkness, desperate to keep hidden. Noon? Why have you stopped? I'm thinking. The next bit is hard to describe. Then the nightmare shifted. Steam reached around us, and we came to a place at the bottom of the gears. Between the walls, in front of us, a long pendulum whooshed back and forth. My friend grabbed hold as it swung by. I let it go past. 1, 2, 3 times before I found the courage to do the same. We climbed as the pendulum rocked left and right, making my head dizzy. Just a little more, I repeated to myself, until my friend reached out her hand to pull me up. We'd made it, finally, the centre of the clock. The room was round, with a spiral staircase, and a machine made of little metallic fingers tapping a violent rhythm. The ceiling was a white clock face, but all the numbers were wrong. We immediately ran up the stairs, and at the top we stepped out into a courtyard. My body began shaking as I heard them, shouts and shrieks of pain. All I could do was stare up at the circular walls which I had just been inside. This was the true building. There were a million rooms, like the second one I peered into, all the way up, with hands and limbs reaching out from between the bars that kept them locked in. My heart pounded like one of them, a prisoner trying to get free. I shouted, "Wait, please!" But my friend was across the courtyard. Then, a jingling. The tall woman jumped down from above, and with thumping steps she went out after my friend. A chain leapt out beneath her dress, like a snake. It caught their leg, and the woman dragged the child through the snow. Kicking and yelling, my friend, scared to tears, yelled for help. The woman spotted me. She began plodding my way and fear froze my feet, getting closer and closer, and all I could think was, who brought me here, and why was I made to know these secrets? With skin so tight her mouth opened only a sliver, with blackened teeth inside, hungry for something. Something that swelled inside me. That is the end. That is the end of Chapter 1, Part 5, The Workers in the Walls. I hope you enjoyed and you're all relaxed. And I will make a new part soon. Good night and good luck.